Hello friends, the Mi Smart Band 6 is from the Mi Smart Band series by Xiaomi, is a popular series sold with Xiaomi internal database in India. I am Naveen Kumar. In this video detail discuss about Mi Band 6. Welcome to my channel offer Amazon. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. The Mi Smart Band 6 is priced at 3,499 rupees and expected to sell on 30th of August from noon. Also, with the default color as black, the band is available in maroon, orange, blue, olive, and ivory that are supposed to be purchased separately. The Mi Smart Band 6 is loaded with 1.56 inches AMOLED full screen display, Sport 2 tracking, 30 fitness modes, regular heart rate monitoring, hassle-free magnetic charging, personal intelligence, 5 ATM resistance, women's health tracking, stress and sleep monitoring, and customizable watch faces. The Mi Smart Band 6 is 3,499 rupees, and that remains constant until the band's color is selected. The band is available in black, blue, orange, yellow, olive, and ivory. The 1.56 inches of AMOLED display has been increased with a 50% display area added, 326 ppi and 450 nits display brightness compared to smartphone displays. 6 fitness modes that include walking, cycling, elliptical running, treadmill, and rowing machine. Other than these, women's health tracking, sleep monitoring, stress monitoring, continuous heart rate monitoring, breathing exercise, and personal active intelligence. With the battery, the Mi Smart Band 6 can withstand up to 14 days and up to 19 days on power-saving modes. However, is highly preferable. Also, for any fantastic deals and offers of Amazon India on any other Mi products, check us at smartfinder.in. We hope you got the right information from this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.